Wow, served by the elder, give thanks.
Right now, we're going to salute.
Wow, what a beautiful sight. Wow, look how beautiful.
An ancestral African story of food, culture, music, community, and love.
Beautiful queen with some ital stew. Wow. And these are spoons. What are these spoons made of? Thinking tour. Wow.
Reminding you of your roots, your culture, your food, your music, your beauty, your light.
Sons of Africa, sons of Africa, sons of Africa.
This is what community looks like. This is what community looks like. His name is Tarzan. My friend does.
Reminding you of yourself. In case you have forgotten, you are royalty.
Food from the earth. All this food is from the earth. We have spinach in there. We have cabbage, pumpkin, a whole bunch of different herbs. Everything is fresh from the earth. This quinoa has carrots. Spinach has been prayed over and blessed. I burned some cinnamon over this. Poured some abundance in this. Prosperity. This is what we speak good words over our food before we eat it.
You are love. Your existence alone is healing, and you are worthy of living a life filled with bliss. It is your birthright.
This is Mr. BirdKall, aka Melame Gange. You don't know where blaze of fire. You don't know. Hot blazing. 365, 24/7. Don't stop it regardless of what's going on. We burn out the COVID-19, burn out the COVID-19 20, 21, 22, 23 agenda. Burn it out straight up, way up. You know what I mean? We can't stop. So this is the first beach fire for the summer. Next month again, we're doing the same thing.
Okay. Hi, Mama. How are you? You're so beautiful. Is that for me? Thank you so much. What's your name? Okay. Listen to the children. They have all the answers.
Reminding you of your true nature, especially in a time where you may feel more displaced than ever before after centuries of trauma and oppression and being told that you are anything less than beautiful or that your life is worth nothing. This is your reminder. You are worthy of living a life filled with bliss.
She's singing in the mic right now. She's like, Thank you. Baby girl has a message for the people in a time of chaos, right? In a time of chaos and panic, right? Yes, you have some words for the people, right? Relax yourself. Yeah. Relax yourself, right? Tell the people. Oh, she want me to talk. She said to remind you guys of your inner child. Remind you of the peace that exists inside of you, that you always have access to. Even in a time of chaos and panic, you have access to your inner child. Right? Exactly. You have a powerful voice, baby girl. Yup. I know, me too. I'm so grateful. Thank you.
To all Africans, home and abroad, to all Black people, Our history and our culture is rich. It is now time to heal and reconnect with our ancestors who endured the worst of the worst. We are rising above all injustices on our brothers and sisters, tapping into ancestral strength and receiving all of the blessings that are owed to us. It is our birthright.